Hey, what's going on, man? Come on up in here, man. You up here with Big Darren and Big Chris. Man, they got it all, man. They get you some Ruchas. They get the Ruchas, you know what I'm saying? They got the Forgiatos, man. They got all types of stuff, man. They do all the audio sound. I think they're one of the best in the city of Baton Rouge to do the audio sound, man. But man, Chris do all types of stuff in the back. Come here, man. Come and show them what you do back in the back. Come on, follow Chris back in the back, man. Chris will show y'all what he specializes in, man. Chris specializes. Look at and they do it all, man. Specialize in dope transformation. Take your old school, you understand me? They do it all, you do it all, man. You understand me? They got all types of motors. I mean, everything, man. Listen, from brand new motors, we build it all, man. I mean, go look up on the hood, man. Hey, it's real, bro. It's real, man. Everything LS Swap, man. Everything. Old truck, everything, man. Everything. Console, seat, interior. Everything dirty, man, because we inside the shop, man. Oh, man, they got it all, man. Got it all. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You get your Forgiatos, everything, man. Got the pretty C10 truck. You want a motor swap on it? Just the motor come out of it. Look at that. That's the motor that come out the truck right there. And yeah, this come and check this over pussy out, man. This thing here know it's clean, brother. I'm talking about everything, man. Do it all right here. Oh yeah, old school. Look, yeah, we do the wagon, cut dogs. Got the Holland, the Holland Snipe. Look, custom. Look, custom.
Baton Rouge, authorized sundown builder. Oh, night, this process is what don't nobody see.
Stay tuned for the finished product.